Hello YouTube fans, it is Mike Less bringing you an exciting straw baling video from Continental Ohio. I am pretty excited about this video that I shot in early July one evening, and I am out in the field here with two Case IH 140 tractors pulling New Holland 575 square balers. Also in the video is a New Holland Stackcruiser 102, or a self-propelled bale wagon as you call it. I got some great footage of all the machines running here, aerial and on the ground. This wheat was cut with a John Deere 9650 straw walker combine, so we got some huge windrows of straw here as you can see, but these New Holland balers are doing a pretty good job baling it up. Unfortunately, I did not get any footage of the combine cutting wheat. They broke the knife section or the sickle section in the combine, and they had to run to the dealer and get one until they got the whole thing replaced and everything. It was after dark, so it was going to be parked till the next day. But anyways, we still got lots of excitement with everything else, so I hope everybody enjoys this as much as I did. This farm also had a third baler that was not running tonight. It was parked back at the farm. And anyways, they were still getting a lot done with two machines and the one self-propelled bale wagon. They did have another self-propelled bale wagon out in the field here that broke a fan belt and was parked till the next day. So we only got the one, but it was a brand new machine and it was pretty neat to see. So that's coming up here real soon as well. And here comes the Model 102 Stackcruiser out to the field. So this is actually the first time I've been in the field with one of these, at least a self-propelled one. So like I said, I'm real excited about this video here for that reason. Still see these at farm shows. New Holland still shows these at the Farm Progress Show and whatnot. But I think they must sell these more out west. You don't see a lot of these in the east. At least the newer ones still see some of the pull type ones. But I think New Holland's been building these for over 60 years now, so just a pretty neat machine. This machine here was sold by Homeyer and Sons out of Continental Ohio, so a newer versatile dealer I call on. It also sells New Holland, obviously, but couple quick specs on this. This is powered by a 6.7 liter diesel engine, rated at around 190 horsepower, also coupled with an Allison 2500 RDS 5-speed automatic transmission. So these have a pretty good road speed, so when you get this full and running it back to the farm or wherever you're storing the bales, I can get there pretty quick and back to the field. New Holland's website shows they make 3 models of this, the 102 being the smallest, and you can also get these equipped to handle large square bales of hay or straw. Did not see anything on the website for a pull type, so I'm guessing they don't make that anymore, but that would be another great find in the future for my YouTube channel, as there was a few of those pull type ones around when I was a kid. And of course you can see my shadow in here. It was just that time of day where the shadow was showing up in the video. Nothing I could do about that, but this GoPro Hero 6 camera on the Karma grip just works so good for walking or running alongside a machine, because it takes all the shake out of it as it stabilizes the camera. So that's why I like to use that over the regular video cameras. Okay, when I'm standing back and just filming it in the machine as it's going by, but it's hard to walk with that one without putting some shake or movement into the video camera. And we'll take a couple minutes in this video here as they back into the barn and unload this so you can see how that works.